I'm Andrea. Welcome to The Joint and to our Athlete Development Initiative. We're bringing you a series of athletic development programs that incorporate biomechanical analysis, core lift training, leadership skills, and injury prevention, as well as essential training considerations for pre, post, and in-season success. As a former varsity athlete, I'm personally familiar with performance testing, technical evaluation, and the importance of utilizing periodization, or progressive loading and active recovery in a strong fitness program. As an interim physiotherapist, my expertise regarding injury prevention, safe technique for short-term and long-term results, and athlete self-management will further guide our approach. We're super excited to provide a broad range of programs that help optimize your performance throughout your athletic season, wherever, whenever. So come on out to The Joint. Let's make this your season.